AI is everywhere and it is getting smarter. But here is the big question: what happens when your AI makes unfair choices or hurt your users? You can't ignore how AI affect people anymore. Today, I am going to show you the biggest problems with AI and give you simple steps to build AI that people can trust from day one. So let's jump in. I will show you why good AI isn't just a nice to have, it's absolutely necessary for your success in 2025. Let's talk about what's really happening. AI isn't some future thing anymore. It is in apps you have used this morning. Your photo app knows faces, your email blocks spam, your maps app knows traffic. It went from cool new feature to something we all need. But here's the scary part. In 2025, we are seeing AI cause real problems that hurt companies and real people. Job application systems that automatically say no to good people just because of where they live. Loan systems that aren't fair to people of different races. Medical AI that works worse for people with darker skin. And what happened to those companies? They got sued for millions of dollars. Their apps get kicked out of app stores. They end up in front of Congress explaining what went wrong. One angry post on social media about your unfair AI can destroy your business overnight. People today don't just want your AI to work. They want it to be fair, honest, and respectful. Miss that and you won't just lose customers. You will face legal battles that can kill everything you have worked for. Let me give you some real examples because of this stuff is actually happening right now. For unfair treatment, big tech companies build job screening system that automatically reject women. Loan companies uses AI to say no to qualified people just because they live in a certain neighborhood or have some certain behavior. Even medical AI that's supposed to help doctors, it's way less accurate for patients with darker skin. For a privacy problem, companies taking companies taking private conversation to train AI without asking. Systems that can figure out super personal things about you. If you are depressed or you are taking some medicine, just from basic information. Location tracking AI that lets stalkers follow people. And here what really gets me. One big mistake can ruin everything you have built. I am not kidding. Companies spending millions and years building amazing AI feature. Then watch their all product get banned because they didn't think about this basic fairness issue up front. Want to know the cost of fixing this problem after you launch? Usually 10 to 100 times more expensive than building it right from the start. How to build good AI? So what do? You don't avoid AI. That's not a realistic and your competitor aren't waiting. You build good AI from day one using four simple rules. I call these the four rules of good AI. Rule 1: be fair. This means your AI treat everyone the same way, not just legally the same, but actually fair results. You need different types of people in your training data. You need to test for unfairness regularly. You need to keep checking that's working for everyone. Rule 2: keep secrets safe. This is more than just following the law. Build privacy protection right into your system from the beginning. Collect as little personal information as possible. Give users real control over their information. People should know what you are collecting, why you need it, and how to control it. Rule 3: be honest. Your AI decisions need to make sense to regular people, not just your engineers, but your users. When your AI make a choice that affects someone, they should understand why it made that choice. Rule 4: take responsibilities. This means owning up when your AI messes up and having way to fix problems quickly. It means having real people involved in important decisions and clear ways for users to complain when things go wrong. These aren't just nice idea. They practical requirement if you want your AI to succeed in 2025. Start today. Now let's get practical. How do you actually do this? I have made it simple with a clear timeline. Week 1 to 2, look at what you have. Check your current AI, yes, even simple recommendation system count. Find your problem areas. Where could unfairness sneak in? What personal information are you touching? Get a small team together to think about ethics, even just 3 people to start. Week 3 to 4, make your rules. Write down your guideline for a good AI that fit your specific product. Create a simple way to test and for unfairness. Design privacy protections that go beyond the legal minimum. This isn't about creating paperwork, it's about creating a clear guardians or guardrails for your team. Week 5 and beyond, make it part of your work. This is where it gets real. Add fairness check right into your normal development process. Teach your team these practices. Make it part of your company culture, not just a box to check. Set up systems to watch for problems that can catch them, or like a system to watch for problems so you can catch them before they follow up in the news. The key is starting now, not waiting until you have some big fancy AI system. Every algorithm make choices that affect user. Every piece of data you collect could be privacy problem. Build these habits now. You will save yourself huge headache later. Why could AI help your business? Here is what most people don't get about good AI. It's not just about avoiding disasters, it's actually help your business grow. People trust you. When users know your AI is fair and protect their privacy, they don't just use your product. They tell their friends about it. They are more willing to share information that make your AI even better. They stick around and become loyal customers. Avoid big problems. While your competitors are dealing with lawsuits and angry customers, you are focused on building cool new feature because you built trust from day one. Stand out in a crowded market. Being the company that people trust with their data makes you special, especially as people learn more about these issues. Stay ready. New laws are coming whether you are ready or not. Building good AI now means you will be ahead instead of scrambling to catch up later. And here's something I hear from development teams. They want to work on stuff they can be proud of. Good AI isn't just good for user and business. It makes your team happy and want to stay. So don't wait for trouble to start caring about AI ethics. Building good AI isn't just nice, it's a necessary to succeed in 2025 and beyond. The question isn't whether you can afford to care about ethics in your AI, the question is can you afford not to? Thank you.